We just made it to Micro Center. Dominique wanted to come here to check out some computer parts. Why you want to come here?
So I can check out the computer parts. So when I save up all my money, I can buy all the stuff I need.
Well, that's stuff that you can put on top like you was trying to get? Or they just tell you the different keyboard? This the stuff you're trying to put on top?
That's the stuff you put on top, but like, the reason they have these is because the switches inside of it make it sound different.
They all do the same thing, it just sounds different.
Oh, I know it do the same thing. You can get one that's silent and it's still gonna play, right?
They got some silent ones.
Why I gotta click?
I want to say those cost more the silent ones.
Why I gotta click?
It does, because you have to like do different stuff with.
Why I
We
gotta
gotta
click?
come over.
These ones.
Click on to the one that they got the most dollars.
What you experiencing?
I'm in heaven.
What you want now?
Mouse, actually.
What you said, David?
I might change the keyboard and mouse
Turn around.
actually. I might change the keyboard and mouse actually. I was thinking of staying on the controller.
Oh my.
What is that?
This is like a good
Don't
company.
be trying to cover the price. What is it?
No, I wasn't trying to cover the price. This is like a really good company.
That's why I was starting.
This is like PC heaven. They have everything here. Everything. Cases. What's this?
Warranties.
How many years? Oh.
3 year, 40, 2 year, 20.
It's cheaper than back there. Maybe it's because it's this cheaper. What CPU you been looking at?
Like the Intel, the AMD.
But what kind?
I haven't really decided yet. That's why I want it to come here, so I can think of all the stuff I want. Then when I get the money, I can get all the stuff.
What's going on?
We're seeing what parts we should get.
We about to build Dominique a PC, and we're gonna check out and see how much the parts or even what parts he want to get. But he want an AMD, and his budget is around like 700. 750 the most.
200.
750 the most. 750.
I told you can
better
get
make
a
it do what it do.
You can just get a case for 200.
All we need is the case. You starting
But
somewhere.
they have cheaper cases that make the whole thing cheaper.
Case for 200.
What about me?
What kind you want? Davion want a PC now too. He said he gonna play keyboard and mouse. But it can be in place of the PlayStation 5 though.
PlayStation 5 costs how much?
400.
Okay.
You want PlayStation 5 or PC? Well, whatever this pick, we'll get 2 of them. 2 of them. No.
PC because PC players are better.
No, you need to try to.
Yesterday I found another house just like the house that we love. This is pretty much like the same type of house, but it had 1 extra bedroom, so we came to check it out. We really like the smaller version, so from the pictures we like this version too.
Out here. Did you see this plan in Santero by chance? Was it a different neighborhood?
Well, the first time we saw. Excuse me. Oops. Wrong way.
No, guess.
But this can also be a media room if you want to. But this would be the guest. We're gonna make a guest bedroom. I like these colors.
Yeah. Closet bed.
Yeah.
Oh, see, this one they have it at the room.
Yeah, remember on the pictures?
Yeah.
It was on the virtual tour of the media.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good little storage.
There should be a bathroom right here too.
It is, right here. So you think it's another cabinetry?
Way
Yeah, I think it should be enough.
a lot.
You don't think so?
This is enough. A lot of them.
Oh yeah, this pantry bigger.
This is enough. Wait,
So I wonder if we get the double oven, what would the microwave be at?
Mm.
Because one need to
I
go to the
never
club.
seen one of these houses with double oven. It's
I'd be the Highland Homes.
but not the price range that we be looking at. I never seen it with double.
Yeah, because one of them we went to, remember they had an area where it was going to be a double oven?
No, it was cut out for the microwave and the oven. It was always just one. It's just not there.
But I thought on these small, you saying like this, say like the 40-foot, you saying they don't do double oven. That's what you think?
They probably do
Okay.
if we did the upgrade, but we never seen it.
I
That
like
to
this
my
one.
knowledge.
I will.
Yeah, to my knowledge, we never seen it.
I will welcome y'all to your mine.
Oh yeah, there's more cabinet space right here. You don't think there's enough cabinets?
I wouldn't think this room green, but yeah.
You know, it would seem
I
like,
see like an accent wall, but not all green.
it seemed like y'all gonna be living outside.
Why are those cabinets so big?
What's that noise?
That's the same or something. That's what I'm saying. No, say. Well, no, you said probably, you know.
I can get
It will not take me a long time to say this piece.
So we came up the stairs. I couldn't record because we picked Dylan up.
sectional. Boom, boom. Just right here. Then this whole area y'all can play VR. I sound like a sectional. And then right there, then VR.
Mm-hmm. I like this. You like it better than the airlift?
We can be watching TV.
We just walked out of that house. We don't like that house. I don't know. It's just something about that I don't like. My mama Sita don't like it either. You like that one?
No.
It's okay.
No.
Four bedroom, 3 beds.
Oh, the closet in here.
So we only just started to build. Okay. So, you know, the timing would be perfect.
Okay.
You know, if somebody needs something like immediately,
It won't be that
I
time.
don't have something that's ready.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Let me take a look. Is this the laundry room? We did? What building is this? Oh, Perry.
Perry, yeah. Yeah, we did see this before. But the one we seen just like this, it had a staircase over there for upstairs.
One story.
Yeah, we seen another one inside a different community.
Yes.
Britt Town Lake. You know, the new side, when y'all had me go walk and get the car. It was this
It was
house.
something like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You remember at the end, you can go up the staircase there, and we thought it was a one story?
We seen
It
so
might
many.
have been 1.5.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Yeah, we done seen so many out. They just all run together. Oh, didn't look at your room. You looking like, no.
I sleep perfectly fine and close by y'all.
Would you be right across from Davion?
Yeah.
Yeah, screwed down in here too. Yeah, we did come around. And then that community that we went way out there, it was this house. No, because I remember it was a room right here, and it was just like this. I think it was Perry too.
I said, don't be bothered.
You remember with that one way like that, we went to that road past that new Chick-fil-A?
In Conroe?
Could be.
Yeah, yeah.
It was,
That was a while ago, so I
yeah.
don't remember.
You
I
like
like
this one?
these. Stop, y'all.
Yeah. Now they just go against the wall. Them screws didn't go all the way in the wall.
Y'all can be running around hitting me. Throwing the football in the house. See, I'm not a scaredy cat. Like.
Mm.
Outside.
You hear me?
Yeah.
I like the bathroom.
This is like the house we see what Grandpa taught, because you remember it had that thing, but it was like, it was flipped.
I don't remember. The one that had the cookies?
You sounded like me.
Yeah, I don't remember. Whoa.
I almost ran you over.
And this actually works.
You do?
I don't know. It's like
I like This wall in here. Yes. And they go all the way up. I like that. This would be the garage.
Get $350.
We have to go to the PC, towards the PC.
You wish you would have got that money from that Lego, huh? For a PC instead of Lego? Dave.
You would have been more than halfway there if you would have had that. Oh yeah.
There's a Rubik's Cube in that room.
I like how they do their walls.
In that robot room.
Yeah.
I was trying to solve
You
that.
seen the one out there?
Yeah. Maybe I don't know. And this
Tall ceiling too. Like them things in the can. That's a pretty big pantry. You go, that's long. It ain't like the short size. So I like this house. It's unique.
yeah.
So this right here would be the garage. This is the front entrance. I didn't vlog up here. Front entrance. Study right here. I like this. Right by the front door. And then this, the green, my mama Sita been liking the green. That's a nice kitchen. These some tall ceilings.
I sound like they got the half out right there, not supposed to the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
Look at the lamp.
We seen this before when they do like that. You know, some house. I don't remember where, but we seen that.
Daddy, look at the lights on the wood.
Do you like the closet in the bathroom or outside the bathroom?
They stopped.
It don't matter. It's just a nice size one. Yeah, it don't matter.
I wasn't doing like
Yeah, it don't matter. Which one you like?
Come on, I'm picking you up.
It's a big tub. Tall.
I like how they got that wood.
Yeah. Hey.
Got it. Thank you.
Nah, I want to act right. When I be turning it towards the window, it be getting real dark. Yeah, I want to act right now. You want to act right now?
Got my told you. What we told you. So it was 2 bedrooms downstairs?
With a study. Oh yeah, I like this.
Mm-hmm. Wanna get in the crib, baby?
It's dark now. See, do it get dark again? Yep.
Yeah, all the other ones look pretty decent besides this.
Yeah, this is nice.
That's nice.
We in the house. I didn't start recording because it's some of these houses we done seen already, but this is a nice house. One closet. Then another closet. The big closet will be my closet.
You like to hear yourself talk. You like to hear yourself talk because you already know that is not happening at all.
Yeah, come on. No. Mm-hmm. This would be the garage right there.
511, like Becky just said.
Mm.
This is a double oven, but it's like this one don't have. Well, you can't do 2 different rows. So no.
Mm.
Hi guys. How you doing?
Hello.
Thanks. I was at the pantry in my size. Excuse me. Oh, you're fine.
Oh, I love these little balls. Yeah. Yeah, this would be perfect for that VR. In here.
And if y'all get the one with all this room, I don't know what to tell you.
Well, it's like we just gonna leave this empty just for them to play VR.
We can keep pushing something back in here like an area.
Like, say if this was folding,
Yeah, fold
you
it.
can put it off to the side.
Like you can fold it. But look like that one like big.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our closet.
My room.
Oh yeah, it's on this side.
You said this your room?
Where said this is his?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If it's something better than the other room, that's his fault.
That's his fault.
And Dylan will be on this side.
Oh yeah. Is Jack and Jill?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Dave and Dylan. Dylan and Dave.
Say they go out, open these windows and just chill out there on the roof. At nighttime looking at the stars. Yeah. The right way? Yeah, I like this one. And look, you see the detailing?
These are two true double ovens.
Say it again.
These are two true double ovens. The house next door, they was mini. Oh, you see this?
Yeah, they big.
Yeah. Is it room back there too?
Mm.
Room on the first floor, honey.
It's similar, the upstairs similar to that one we seen before. But this not that house. This the best house we done seen.
Garage over there.
I like this better than that custom home.
Wasn't in the bathroom?
Yeah, it is.
I don't know.
It is.
Yeah, right here. I like this better than that custom home. Maybe off the garage. You had heard me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Yeah, on the agree.
Some aspects of it.
This is the garage. So this could be a tandem garage. So, cause this bathroom is for the guest room.
Right.
This for the,
Like over here.
yeah.
Daddy, if we're in charge for the popcorn machine, $10 for per piece of popcorn.
No, not even popcorn. It's gonna get stiff because nobody go purchase it.
Mm-hmm. He trying to rob people.
Right. Laundry right off of the master.
Mm.
That's a big one. I like this one.
Damian.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Sit here. Sitting here. Sitting there. Daddy sitting there, trust me.
Sit in it. It feel good.
Yes.
Yeah, it do. I like this better than that custom home. I do.
What about your office off the stairs?
I don't care about that. I got one up there.
Daddy.
The closet.
Huh?
The closet.
Daddy.
Let me see this closet.
Upstairs.
That closet better.
Let me see it.
This
This,
one nice, but that closet better.
heck no, I like this one better. You get two.
You barely. No, I like the two-story closet better.
I like this house better than that house. This house better than that house. I like this one better. So you still
18 stuff like one other house. It's the same one. The same thing hardwood. Literally the same thing. Big Mama.
we seen a house like with this on there, but it's not this builder. I don't think. Let me see your hand. Turn it the other way. Hold it down. PlayStation. Hold it. PlayStation.
What?
Dominique already picked his.
You always want to be in the corner by yourself. Go get the room in the corner.
No, this is
Yeah, go get the room in the corner. Yeah, get the room in the corner.
On TV.
Oh, whoa.
I was trying to show you that, then you looked over here.
Go get the room in the corner.
No.
you over there
This my room.
with the
You always trying to
Xbox.
hurry up and pick. You always trying to hurry up and pick.
That's what Davion said at the last house. He was like, he want to pick a room first. It's going to be an even better room. He said that.
No, this is
You found you a good room. You got your own soaking tub, Dave?
Yeah.
that's
This is the back and
Oh,
they
whoa.
got bathroom. Second room.
This is like a second master.
no. This is not your room, dude.
This is mine.
No, it's not.
Stop always picking
It
it.
is not your room. The oldest gets the best room.
No.
Literally
You,
said that
you
was yours
chose.
over there.
I didn't even choose the room.
Yeah.
But I still
I'll just show
called
you
it.
the Xbox controller in there. This is
You see
my.
those crazy people walking over this room?
This
Little
is-
they know it's your room, Dylan. Little they know it's your room. Say this mine.
Yeah.
Say I sat on the bed first because it's mine.
It's me and Dylan room.
Hey.
I let Dylan have it with me.
No, the oldest gets the best, not the second best room.
But this would probably be the guest room. But the guest room downstairs, yeah. This like
It's mine.
So who will this be?
I literally,
Davion called it.
but he gotta stop rushing and picking stuff.
He need to check out
I'd
and
even-
scope out the whole house.
I didn't even pick that room.
He need to scope the whole house.
Yeah, I didn't even pick no rooms in this house.
This,
No, this is your room.
no,
This is.
that's my room.
This house better than that custom home. I love this house better than that $1 million home.
Isn't this my room?
Oh yeah.
You thought I was on
Yeah, who? Like, I'm like,
That is my room.
who would that be?
Davey, I picked it.
That is my room.
He picked it.
You gotta share it then.
Uh-huh.
If you don't want it,
He's gonna sleep in the tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have fun.
This the outside of that house. I'm gonna go get a paper to see what this model is called because I love this house. They got a touchpad, keypad. So that one right there starting out at $756. It's upgrades to get all those, that bedroom with the big, like a second master. That's an upgrade. I just came in the same house as my family because I went back to get the price. And I just started walking. This house nice too. This is David Weekly.
Is it state taxes in Florida? I think it is.
No,
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Uh-uh.
Texas doesn't have it yet. But the home taxes in Florida is under 1%. Here, 3%.
This is nice.
Under 1%, so it's
Yeah, this is nice.
making more expensive.
Yeah. I like this countertop too. Oh yeah, this is nice.
I call the room that would be y'all. And I'm like, y'all sleeping there too.
I bet. That's all you want.
How much is that house?
756,000.
I was about to say this one is nice. Really nice. I forgot to tell you about the closets that I have. It's really nice.
This nice.
There's a way to get to mommy,
Through here.
but somebody's in the other way.
This is nice. I like this house.
I love that little sitting
Yeah.
area.
And then you still get your dining room area.
Mom, you forgot
Look
to go
at the
back there.
pantry.
You forgot to go back there.
I didn't even go back here yet, Dave. You said I forgot. I didn't go back here yet. Well, they got a whole little. Oh, and all the appliances could
Yeah.
be right here.
Hidden.
Yes.
You can have them just stacked up. Oh man.
Just follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you.
This house nice.
This is not the way to the master.
You even get a lot of cabinet space, even cabinet space back there.
Yeah.
All back there.
I don't think this is the way to the master.
We were looking like, where our car at? We forgot we parked way down the street. Y'all see how many houses over there? We came from over this way.
They rank top 10.
Huh? Oh, ranked top 10.
Hey, they say bikeable, walkable schools.
You want that?
I'm gonna live here. Wait, is this Highland or?
The fancy stuff.
Yeah, I see y'all got all that.
What up, y'all? We in this kitchen about to make some peach cobbler. My mama Sita done threw down. She got some pot roast beef in the crock pot. She got some greens she about to start cooking. She made some rice. She about to do some mashed potatoes and yams. So we about to eat it up on this good old Sunday, and then we in here working together doing this peach cobbler. My mama gave us a recipe of the peach cobbler. I just made my famous royalty lemonade. Strawberry lemonade. Strawberry lemonade. Look at that lemonade. It's good.
Yes, it's good. Mango my favorite fruit, so you know I had to try the mango lemonade at Popeye. What?
Oh, you was talking to Brandy.
Oh yeah, because she said, I try the mango lemonade.
Everything is done and complete. Me and my mama Sita, we are about to eat. She in here getting her some
Rose.
rolls.
Oh, I ain't give you no carrots. I'm gonna give you one.
That's good.
I knew you was gonna say that. You need more than one.
This is the peach cobbler. Look at that peach cobbler. My mama used to make this when we was kids. I like the regular peach cobbler, the wet peach cobbler, but I love this peach cobbler. I like this one better, but I can eat both. So, can't go wrong with both, but I really like this one. That one good. It's like a cakey one, and it's dry. Oh, it's in the way?
A little bit.